Good morning, class 10 students. Welcome back to the e-classes now. We'll continue our lesson in English. The two stories about flying. We were talking about the young seagull, the first part. Number one is a revision, what we have learned in our previous class. Number one, the young seagull failed to muster of courage. We have read. Muster means gather. He failed to fly because he had no courage to fly. He thought that his small wings will not support him and he will fall down below in the sea. His brothers and sisters teased him. His brothers and sisters had flown away the previous day. 24 hours before they flew, and they were flying, they were diving, catching the fish, taking the fish to the rock in the plateau on the rock, and they were eating there. And his brothers and sisters were teasing him. Even his father and mother threatened to let him starve. Even his father and mother threatened him. If you don't fly, we will not bring any food. You will starve there. So that was the story up to there. We have reached now. We will talk about further now. Number 2. It was 24 hours. 24 hours had passed. Past 24 hours. And no one came near him. Nobody came there. Whether either his brother and sisters, mother and father, nobody came there. They wanted him to fly. Muster up the courage and fly. But he was such a coward that he could not fly. He watched his brothers and sisters from the ledge, from the nest, from the ledge. He could see his brothers and sisters flying, mastering, perfecting them in the art of flying. He could see his brothers and sisters flying and perfecting the art of flying, and they were diving, catching the fish, going to the rock, and they were sitting there and eating those rock fishes which they have caught. So, number 4, his family members were taunting of his cowardice. Taunting means making fun. His family members were making fun of him. Among the children, among the chicks, he was the eldest and he had the bigger wings, more wings, feathers he had. Even his younger sisters and brothers, they had small wings and they were younger. They flew away, but he, being the eldest, he had no courage to fly. So his family members were taunting him of his cowardice. Cowardice means, in Hindi we call it kayarpan, but here without having any courage. He came to the edge of the ledge. He came at the end of the ledge and he put one leg under the feather and pretended to sleep. He came to the edge, brink of the ledge and pretended to be asleep. But nobody noticed him. No one noticed him. Nobody cared. Whether you go to sleep or whether you stay there. We are not going to help you. You have to help yourself. So nobody noticed him. His family members didn't notice him. After having their meals, the family members, father, mother, his brother and sisters, after having their meals, means after catching the fish and after their meals, his family members were dozing on the rock. His brothers and sisters, they were dozing. Dozing means feel sleepy. They began to feel sleepy after their stomachs were full. His father was preening the feather, cleaning the feather. Only his mother was looking at him. After all, she is a mother. So she looked at him. She had a fish at her feet. The mother was very often tearing the fish. Only his mother was looking at him she tore the fish now and then. Very often she used to tear the fish so that her son will see from the ledge and he will fly and come to eat. She tore the fish now and then that lay at her feet. The fish was there at her feet. She used to tear the fish. Tear. Not to eat, just to show him that you please come over here. That's a kind of temptation. She want to tempt him. The sight of the food maddened him. From the ledge, he could see the fish which was lying at his mother's feet. The sight of the food maddened him, but he could not fly. How he loved to eat it. He began to think, how I love to eat that food, the fish. He began to think, but so far he has not tried to fly. So now that's the lesson up to here. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson. So this much for today. You can copy this out or go through your book. If you have the book, you can go through the book. And if you don't have the book, you can copy this out. After putting a pause or taking the screenshot, you can copy this out. It will help you. So that's all for today. And stay safe at home. Keep on studying regularly. Make a habit of going through this every day. Watching the video. It will not take a long time, hardly 10-15 minutes, 5-10 minutes, but you will understand a lot of things about the lessons, and use your net packs wisely, and do not waste your time as well as your net packs. Use it wisely. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next class. That's all for today.